Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and the review video of NeoCommissions. NeoCommissions is an app produced by Glynn Kosky and is actually a next generation marketing automation that is driven by artificial intelligence. So with this, it gets to help you make profit pages, top converting offers, and also to directly integrate free buyer traffic, and as such help you to make more money online. So this is what Glynn Kosky is saying today, that NeoCommissions will help you to achieve. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a demo of how this app truly works. But do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button as well. And as usual, I have added some of my bonuses today, some of my awesome bonuses. All you need to do is to click on the link also that is in the description box below. It takes you to my bonus page. Yes, and all my awesome bonuses shall automatically be added. Now let's quickly go and see the sales page and see what this guy is saying about this app. So Glenn is saying today that NeoCommissions is the world's best artificial intelligence powered traffic and commission app. So in 60 seconds, you clone their push button system for free buyer traffic that makes them $907 in daily commissions. So no website, no list, no experience, no problem. And these are the features of this app. So you get autopilot buyer traffic in 60 seconds. It's 100% new, never before seen solution. Also, you get total newbies. It says total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. Works in any niche you want. Achieve financial freedom, quit your job, travel and enjoy life. Stop failing and finally break through. And also you get 180-day money back guarantee. Plus, get results or get free private coaching. So these are the features that you will have in your arsenal for purchasing this app. Let me take you to the steps that you need to deploy to get this app up and running. So 3 steps are involved. The first one, you get to, of course, purchase, you log in and activate any of the done for you profit pages. The second step, you point the built-in free traffic to your artificial intelligence powered leads and commission ready pages. And of course, the third step, you sit back and watch the results multiply. Now you have seen the steps. These are people right here that are saying stuff, those that are using this app, what they have achieved so far, guys. These are from real people that are using this app. You see, this is Sarah Latunji, and this is what she made today. And this is Rita. This is actually a screenshot of her pay stuff. And then, guys, now you have seen what real buyers of this app are making daily. Let me quickly take you guys to the bonuses that Glenn has added today. And from here, I will take you to my bonuses as well. So the first bonus that he has added is called the $2 per day from home profit loophole. So apparently this is a training that reveals how you can make $2,000 per day. And then the second bonus is the make commissions in 60 seconds. The third bonus is $500 per hour ClickBank affiliate system. And then the fourth bonus is the 5 million underground internet blueprint. So he's saying that they will show you step by step in the bonus training how they have generated more than $5 million online. Now, you have seen the 4 bonuses that he has added. Let's go to mine so that you can see the 5 that I'm adding today. So the first one, of course, you have access to CPA Income Crusher. The second bonus is the Ultimate Traffic Mantra. And then the third bonus that I've added is the Fuego Multiplier. The fifth bonus right here is putting your list building on steroids. And of course, the fifth one, you have access to all the vendor bonuses. Yes, guys. So with just the front end, even if you are picking the front end today, you have access to 9 awesome bonuses. 4 of these and 5 of mine. And speaking of prices and upsells, guys, so about the front end is just $17. So with $17, you have 9 bonuses added, plus you have access to the software and the training modules. And then if you upgrade to the unlimited version, is $67. So this is what you get. You get unlimited for everything from the front end right here. And also you get 180-day money back guarantee. And then the OTO2, which is done for you, everything is 100% done for you. The traffic, your limited commissions and stuff is it's actually $97 rather. And then the OTO3, which is the unlimited traffic, is $97 also. And then you have access to, you tap into their golden source of traffic, and you have unlimited commissions, and then unlimited traffic at zero cost and all that. And then about the OTO4, which is the automation, is $67. So basically everything is on autopilot for traffic and commissions. So you sleep and then you make money while sleeping. And then the fifth upsell, which is the ATM, is $197. So says, let us do all the hard work while you sit back, relax, and get paid big time. So it's a complete money making system that pulls in huge down for you sales and profits. And then the sixth OTO, the sixth upsell, which is the ultimate, is also $197. So you get to clone their business. Everything will be 100% done for you. And then the seventh OTO, which is the license rights, you resell those products, NeoCommissions, and then get to keep the 90% of the profit. And also you have the done for you products, the email swipes, and then the text setup. And then the OTO8, which is you earn extra 30K, is actually $37. So pretty much you supercharge your NeoCommission accounts to $30,000K in the next 30 days. So basically with OTO8, you get to earn $30,000, and they will show you how you can do that. And then OTO9, which is the bonus, you have special opportunity to maximize your profit, generate over $50 by pressing one button. And then the 10 is the mentor. So they will show you, this says, let an internet millionaire force you to $10K per month in 60 days. So pretty much they will coach you and teach you how to make that kind of money per month. Now guys, I have shown you the sales page. We've talked about the bonuses, the upsells, and all that. And let's take a listen to a brief intro of what this app is all about.
Imagine in the next 60 seconds being able to clone the exact pages that make us $987 in daily commissions. Profit pages that generate free buyer traffic from hundreds of millions of hungry buyers. Then, the really cool part, never touching a thing again as artificial intelligence keeps your profit pages driving results 24/7. This technology has never been available before now. It's a radical game changer for any beginner or struggling marketer. Brought to you by Glynn Kosky, who's been a 7-figure earning super affiliate for years. He and his team are always pushing the latest tech advances to both simplify and automate the proven process he uses to make millions every year. Hey, if you're ready to duplicate the kind of results Glynn is getting, recurring commissions and massive buyer lists, then his new app will blow you away. What it does is combine a secret free traffic source of over 300 million buyers with done-for-you profit pages that are powered by artificial intelligence, and then uses Glynn's personal monetization secrets for practically effortless results, all without any previous experience, tech skills, or marketing background of any kind. Hey, you don't need a website, you don't need an email list. This has nothing to do with building a social media audience either. It's as simple as it gets because the technology automates the whole process. Welcome to NeoCommissions.
So guys, pretty much that's what this app is all about. You have seen everything that you need to see today. So thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing and subscribing to my channel. And guys, do not forget to pick through my link that is in the description box below. And if you know anyone that this app will be of benefit to, do not forget to share, and stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.